A new report says GlaxoSmithKline will topple Pfizer from the #1 spot in the top 10 pharma list in just 4 years. I spoke to Lorna Stewart, Head of Research at URCH Publishing, about this and other shake-ups expected in the pharmaceuticals market by 2012. I began by asking her why Pfizer was likely to lose that top spot.
Well, Pfizer had a market share of 6.2% in 2007, closely followed by GlaxoSmithKline and Sanofi-Aventis. But Pfizer's drug Lipitor, one of the top 10 selling drugs last year, which made $13.5 billion US, is set to lose patent protection by 2011, and Pfizer will suffer consequential loss in sales. So we expect to see some key changes in the top 10 pharmaceutical company list over the next few years. Our report tips that GlaxoSmithKline will be in the top spot by 2012, followed closely by Roche.
So we expect some other companies then to be affected, like Pfizer?
Yes, AstraZeneca, Eli Lilly and Johnson & Johnson will all see some key drugs lose their patent protection by 2011 and of course will suffer loss in sales. But there are 4 new drugs that will enter the market in 2012.
And I guess the dramatic fall of Pfizer shows how much big pharma companies rely on 1 or 2 blockbusters.
Exactly. In 2007, the top 100 blockbuster drugs generated sales revenue of $252.5 billion, and that accounted for 35.5% of the total pharmaceutical market. There
are other drugs that keep on coming along and replacing these big blockbusters though. Is there anything to look out for by 2012?
Our report tips the Roche Genentech Avastin, a monoclonal antibody used against cancer, to be the top selling drug by 2012.
In the context of the global economic downturn, what do you think the outlook is for the pharma industry?
Well, in contrast to commodities, the pharmaceutical market isn't cyclical. Our report forecasts that the total pharmaceutical market will grow to $929 billion US by 2012. That's a compound annual growth rate of 5.5%. Of course, China's the market to look out for. With continued double-digit growth rates over the next few years, we'll see it becoming the 7th ranked market by pharmaceutical sales by 2012.
Lorna Stewart, thank you so much for your time.